Welcome to Financial Knowledge. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial concept in personal finance, net worth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to take control of your finances, understanding your net worth is the key to unlocking financial success. So let's break it down. What net worth is, how to calculate it, and most importantly, how to improve it. Section 1. What is net worth? First things first, what exactly is net worth? Simply put, net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. It's a snapshot of your financial health. To get your net worth, you subtract your total liabilities or debts from your total assets, what you own. Think of it as a balance sheet for your personal finances. Your assets can include cash, investments, real estate, and valuable possessions, while liabilities might be things like loans, credit card debt, or mortgages. Section 2. How to calculate your net worth. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of calculating your net worth. Here's how you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. List your assets. Start by making a list of all your assets. This includes your savings account balance, investment portfolios, retirement accounts, real estate, and any other valuables you own. Add up their current market values. Step 2. List your liabilities. Next, list all your liabilities. This includes outstanding debts such as your mortgage, student loans, car loans, credit card balances, and any other debts. Add up the total amount owed. Step 3. Subtract liabilities from assets. Finally, subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. The result is your net worth. If your assets outweigh your liabilities, you have a positive net worth. If your liabilities are greater, then you have a negative net worth. Don't worry if it's negative. Many people start there, and the key is to improve it over time. Section 3. How to improve your net worth. So, how can you improve your net worth? Here are 5 actionable strategies. 1. Increase your income. Look for ways to boost your income, whether it's through a side hustle, a raise at work, or investing in skills that increase your earning potential. 2. Pay down debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. The less you owe, the higher your net worth will be. 3. Save and invest wisely. Regularly contribute to savings and investment accounts. The power of compound interest can significantly grow your assets over time. 4. Control your spending. Monitor your spending habits and reduce unnecessary expenses. Living below your means can free up more money to save and invest. 5. Build emergency savings. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise, helping you maintain or improve your net worth. Section 4. Why net worth matters. Understanding and improving your net worth is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. It helps you set realistic financial goals, track your progress, and make informed decisions about your future. A growing net worth means you're on the path to financial independence and security. Section 5. Final thoughts and encouragement. Remember, improving your net worth is a journey, not a sprint. Regularly track it, stay committed to your financial goals, and with time, you'll see positive results. Start today, and you'll thank yourself in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Knowledge, and ring the bell to stay updated on more financial tips and strategies. Let's grow our wealth together, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.